class 10 chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. Today we will start second method, that is elimination method. This method I will explain you with the question. Okay, we will start exercise 1.4. Question number first. Second part I will take 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now, I will explain you the elimination method. In this question, there are two variables x and y. We make one variable, coefficients of one variable same and eliminate it. How we will do? See, here it is 4 and here it is 2. If I multiply equation 2 by 2, we get here minus 4y and plus 4y. We add, it means y is eliminated. See here, first, second. If you multiply equation 2 by 2, फुल इक्वेशन 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए? 2 से कर दीजिए. तो 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Give this equation 3. Rewrite equation 1 again. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This is equation 1. We add these two equations. ऐड करते हैं तो साइन चेंज नहीं होता. Add it. Here it is 7x and here it is 14. This 7 cuts 14, so x is equal to 2. Now, putting the value of x in any of two equations, put the value of x in equation 1, we get x हटा के क्या लिख देंगे? 2. 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. 6 उधर चला जाएगा तो 4y is equal to 10 minus 6. 4y is equal to 4. 4 cancel out. This y equals to 1. This is the elimination method. Question first, fourth part. X upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1. Second equation, and x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, लीनियर में कर लेते हैं. टेक एलसीएम 6. 2 को 3 से डिवाइड किया, 3x, 3 2 जा 2 2 जा 4. 4y is equal to minus 1. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Take 6 that here, this side, 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is equation first. Denominator nothing, it means 1. Take 3 LCM. 3x minus y is equal to 3. Cross multiply. 3x minus y is equal to 9. 3x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. See here. Here we see that the coefficient of x is same on both the equations. So no need to multiply by anything. So we can write equation 2 here. We rewrite both the equations again. 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. 3x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Here you see that same signs are same. So how will you make it 0? We subtract it. Subtract equation 1 and 2 and change the sign of second equation. Minus plus plus. See here, this is cancelled out. This is 5y and this is plus 15 is equal to 0. Now take 15 that side. Now take 15 that side. So 5y is equal to minus 15. So this will cut and y is equal to minus 3. Now what you do, put y in equation 1. x को अपन एलिमिनेट करके भी निकाल सकते थे, y को एलिमिनेट करते तो x आ जाता. So put y in equation 1. y हटा के क्या रख देंगे, minus 3. 3x plus 4 into minus 3 minus 6. This means 3x is equal to minus 6 plus 12. 3x is equal to 6. 3 cancel. It means x is equal to 2. So this is the solution by elimination method. Now we will start word problem, question number 2, first part. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction becomes 1. So let the fraction be x upon y. Now ATQ इंटीग्रल का मतलब होता है, according to question, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, it becomes 1. Now other side, it becomes 1 upon 2. ये 1 upon 2 हो जाएगा. If we add 1 to the denominator, if we add only 1 to the denominator, it becomes 1 upon 2. So this is the situation. Now cross multiply. X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. X minus y is 1 को इधर ले आएंगे तो it becomes plus 2 is equal to 0. This is your equation 1. 2x is equal to y plus 1. 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now here you see that in equation 1 and 2 y are same. So no need to multiply by anything. So we eliminate the coefficient of y. See here. Rewrite again. 1x minus, this is 1, implies plus 2 is equal to 0. Second, 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Signs are same, so we will subtract it. Subtract कीजिए, plus का minus, minus का plus, minus का plus. This will cancel out. This is minus x and plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. This implies x is equal to 3. Now put x in equation. Put x in equation 1. We get we can find both n x y by eliminating. We are eliminate only one variable and other value of other variable we find by putting the value of x in equation 1. So we will get y. See here, x हटाएंगे क्या रख देंगे, 3 minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This implies 5 minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 5. So what is the fraction? Fraction is 3 upon 5. Now I am taking third word problem, third part. See here, the sum of two-digit number is 9. तो 2-digit number में क्या होता है, यूनिट प्लेस होती है, 10 प्लेस होती है. सपोज दिस इज x, दिस इज y. यूनिट प्लेस पे मैंने x ले लिया लेट, और टेंस प्लेस पे मैंने ले लिया y. लेट यूनिट्स प्लेस be x, tens place be y. Now according to question, सम ऑफ these two digits x plus y is equal to क्या है 9. This is equation 4. Now also 9 times this number, 9 times this number, तो ये नंबर क्या बनेगा किस प्लेस पे 10y plus x. This is the number. 18 होता सपोज तो we can write 18 as 10. कैसे लिखते हैं 1 into 10 plus 8 लिखते हैं. Instead of 1 it is y, instead of x it is 8. So it is the number. So what he is saying 9 times this number is twice the number by obtaining the reversing the digit. 9 times of this number is obtained by reversing the digit, means tens or units. Reversing the digit, y इधर आ गया x इधर आ गया, इसको बोलते हैं रिवर्सिंग द यूनिट प्लेस. x इधर आ गया y इधर आ गया, इट मींस 10x plus y. डिजिट क्या बन गई 10. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 9 टाइम्स दिस नंबर 9 10 plus y plus x is twice by reversing the digit. रिवर्स डिजिट करेंगे तो x इधर चला जाएगा टेंस प्लेस पे चला जाएगा और y किधर चला जाएगा यूनिट्स प्लेस पे चला जाएगा. नाउ सॉल्व इट. 90y plus 9x 20x plus 2y plus 2y. Now 90y 9x is equal to 20x plus 2y. Now x comes this side, y comes this side. So it becomes 90y minus 2y plus 9x minus 20x is equal to 0. So it is 88y and this is minus 11x is equal to 0. Divide by 11, you will get 8y minus x is equal to 0. Now this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. You see that इसको रीराइट करके अपन ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं और minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. Now what is one equation? X plus y is equal to 9 minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. Signs are different, so add it. If you add it, x cut 9y is equal to 9. 9y is equal to 9. 9 cut, this implies y is equal to 1. Put in equation 1. We get इसको अगर y को 1 में रख देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा x plus 1 is equal to 9. So what is the value of x? 8. So what is the number? Put it here. Our number is 10y plus x. 10 into what is the value of y? 1 plus 8. 10 plus 8 means 18 is the number. 18 is the number. 1 plus 8 is 9. Question number 4 part. Meena went to a bank and withdraw rupees. Meena went to a bank and withdraw rupees 2000. It is given to you. She asked the cashier to give her note of rupees 50 and rupees 100 note. उसको क्या चाहिए? 50 and 100 note. I will tell you. 50 and 100 rupees note. Okay. Total notes. Total कितने notes थे? Total notes is 25. Now we will frame the equation. Let Meena went to a bank, withdraw rupees 2000. He wants a note of 50 and 100 only, and the sum of these 50 and 100 notes is 25. Now frame the equation. Let 50 rupees note be x, 100 rupees note be Y. According to question, some of these notes be 25 and 50 notes be X, so it is 50X. 100 notes be Y, so it is value Y, and total value is given to you 2000. Now see here, if you simplify or divide equation 2 by 50. If I divide equation 2 by 50, it becomes X plus 2Y is equal to 40. 5 4s are 20, 0 look at 40. Now give this equation 3. Now we can eliminate first X from equation first and 3. Rewrite first again. X plus Y is equal to 25. Third equation, X plus 2Y is equal to 40. Here you see this. Variable is same, coefficients are same. So, and signs are same. So we will subtract it. Subtract it. Minus, minus, minus. This will cancel out. Minus Y, 2 minus 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus Y, and this is minus 15. Minus minus cancelled out, Y is equal to 15. Put in 1. Put in 1. Y को यहाँ रख दीजिए. So X plus 15 is equal to 25. So X is equal to 25 minus 15. X is equal to 10. So nodes of X be 10, nodes of Y be 15. So 15 into 1500 and 500, it is 2000. Fifth part, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. Fixed charge for first 3 days. An additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for kept a book for 7 days. कितने दिन बुक रखी? 7 days. While Shashi paid rupees 21 and kept a book for 5 days. Kept a book for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and charge for each day. And charge for each day. Now, let the fixed charge be rupees. For first 3 days be rupees X and charge per day be rupees Y. Now, according to the question, 7 days, 3 दिन का इसमें कोई चार्ज नहीं लगेगा. Remaining 4 days का लगेगा. तो you can write X plus 4Y is equal to 27. Shashi kept book for 5 days. इसमें 3 दिन का कोई चार्ज नहीं लगेगा. Remaining 2 days का लगेगा. तो X plus 2Y is equal to 21. दोनों मिला के कितना पैसा दिया? 21. This is equation first. This is equation C. So here we can eliminate X and both having same sign. So we will subtract it. Minus minus minus. This will cancel out. Now 2Y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 3. Put in 1, we get X, Y हटा के क्या रख देंगे? 3. X plus 4 into 3 is equal to 27. X is equal to 27. 12 हो जाएगा, उधर जाएगा, minus 12 हो जाएगा. X is equal to 15. So Y is equal to charge for each day 15 rupees. And charge for fixed charge is 15 rupees and charge per day is 3 rupees. This is the answer.